Amiga, Shedfest, progress. So, I said it needed some welding, and it does. Now, safety hat. This is what we've got. Now, most people will say that's terrible, it's bad, it's falling apart, this and that. It is, but it's not that bad. Looks worse than what it is. So, for a start, set you up so you can see. This is the outer sill on the car. As you can see, there's the door, that's the outer sill. This has been repaired once before, and whoever's done it has patched it over the original sill. Now, what happens when you do that is the original one will carry on rusting, which is what's happened here. So, this is gone and the original's gone. However, the structure of the car, the inner sill and the middle sill, completely solid. So, it's not that bad. All we've got to do is come up, cut a nice clean line above the old patch and down, pull it out, pull the rust out. That's the main thing, get the rust out. Rust convert, zinc/etch epoxy primer, weld a new piece in, epoxy primer, schultz it, and it'll be solid for many more years. And again, we like to keep it simple and cheap, so these are the side covers. These go on the whole edge of the car. None of that rust is ever seen. None of that is seen. It's covered. So we repair it properly, safely, and structurally sound. However, it hasn't got to be neat, because it's not seen, and it doesn't matter. It really doesn't. It's not a concourse car, it's a daily car to get you used to go to tip, go on holiday. So as long as it's safe and sound, I'm happy. So I think we should just get some cutty, grindy, sparky. Always be safe. Gloves of some description, the obligatory safety hat, and a spare of safety squints. And always have the guard on the grinder. You'll see me use it without it a lot, but I'm not telling you to do that. It's not safe. So, we are going to cut straight up, straight along, just to the side of that, and hopefully peel that off then. Clean all that up, and then we'll move along bit by bit and do the odd little sections. So, let's make some noise. That's all sand. That's road salt, that. That's terrible. So we've got a tiny little bit we need to investigate here on how it forms together. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're okay. We'll just keep going. We'll keep cutting. We'll keep grinding. And we'll make it nice. Little bit dusty. Oh, up my nose. So, yeah, I'm actually really happy with that. Camera's rotten. So, right, torch. You can see that's cleaned up lovely. So, it is the outer sill that's just gone. That is the middle, and that's the inner. Completely solid, nothing wrong with it. So it needs a little bit more cleaning up where the weld's been previously, along there. And then I'll buy some. Oh, my nose is full of dust. And then a rust converter or rust treatment of some sort. I haven't decided what I'm going to put on yet. And again, I've just been going along the whole sill, grinding the excess rust off. A little bit of pitted rust is fine because a lot of the rust converters don't like completely clean metal to convert it to a neutral form. So I'm happy with that. That's a lot of progress on that one side, and that, no joke, I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 cutting discs and 3 flat wheels, and that took me half an hour, that's it. So I need some rust treatment, some primers, some steel, and do that again on the other side, albeit the other side, which is unusual, isn't as bad. Now, normally when you get a rust problem on a car, the side that drives against the curb is always worse because you get the road salt turning up against it, but it's not. This side's worse, so that's quite good. But yeah. So part 1, we've cut it all out and grind it. I'll get a load of stuff together for part 2 and we'll get it prepped, painted and welded up in part 2. And then part 3 we'll finish the outside off, both sides, and crack on with some more of the bits for the Shedfest holiday prep. So we've got the engine mounts to still do, and I didn't show you these the other day. Bit all over the place at the minute. Oh, lovely, lovely new Akabono brake pads, ceramic brake pads. So they turned up the other day, but the discs haven't turned up yet. So I'm waiting for the discs to turn up. So as soon as they turn up, we'll get them on as well. Yes, this one's been a nice quick short video, but hope you enjoyed it. Bit of grinding, bit of cutting, bit of titivation. So yeah, like and subscribe. More videos on the Amiga and other content. Anyone who's going to Shedfest again, I'll see you in 3 weeks. See you soon. Bye bye.